children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that from last week we have started with our revision work, and as you all know that in the last week in EVS we have completed 3 chapters, and we have completed all the 3 chapters in 2 parts. Okay, I have given the revisions of EVS in 2 parts. Okay, so I hope that you all have completed that revision work in your revision notebooks, and those who are not doing in their revision notebooks, I hope you all have learned that revision exercises on your own. Now coming to now today, as you all know that this is our online EVS class, and we have started with today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 5 and 6, food and water, which was combined. Okay, and this chapter we are doing revision, and for this chapter we are doing revision number 4.1. Now why 4.1? Because we are doing the first part today, and second part of the same chapter we will be doing tomorrow. So today we are going to do some exercises for first part, and then next tomorrow we will be doing other part with other exercises. Is that clear? So the first exercise for today's revision work is give examples for the following. A part is give examples for the following. Now here I will be giving you some words, okay, some names of food or names of any plant or something, and you have to just give the 2 examples of each. Okay, so listen to this exercise very carefully, and I will explain you the exercise with answers, so listen to it very very carefully. First is energy giving food. Okay, now energy giving food kaun se hote hain? We have to give 2 examples. So the 2 examples are, first one is rice, R-I-C-E, rice, which you call chawal. Okay, and second is sugar, S-U-G-A-R, sugar. Okay, chini. So rice and sugar are energy giving food. Okay, these are 2 examples of energy giving food. Now coming to the second part, food from plants. Now what are the food items that we get from plants? So the first one is grains, G-R-A-I-N-S, grains, and second is pulses, P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Is that clear? Coming to the third part, food from animals. Now here we have to give the 2 examples of the food items which we get from animals. So the first one is very easy, as you all know, eggs, E-G-G-S, eggs, and second is meat, M-E-A-T, meat. Clear to you all? Now coming to the fourth, that is the last part, bodybuilding food. Now what are the 2 items, food items which we eat for our bodybuilding? Okay, which are known as bodybuilding food, जिससे हमारी body built up होती है. So the 2 examples are milk and pulses, M-I-L-K, milk, and P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Is that clear? So once again children, I am repeating this exercise. I hope you all have understood. So once again I am repeating. Make sure that you listen to it very carefully. First one is energy giving food. 2 examples are rice and sugar. Second is food from plants. 2 examples are grains and pulses. Third is food from animals. Examples are eggs and meat. Fourth is bodybuilding food. Examples are milk and pulses. Is that clear to you all children? I hope this exercise is very clear to you all. Now moving towards a second exercise. Now children, coming to the next exercise, that is the B part, which is the second exercise. This is basically a type of a question in which you have to write 3 points. Okay, I have asked about 3 activities here, so you have to write down those 3 activities, and in the third exercise also, third question also, this is also a question in which you have to write 3 activities. Okay, so I have combined these 2 questions, and I have made one full exercise. So the first question is write 3 activities that makes water dirty. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में हमें कुछ 3 एक्टिविटीज़ बतानी है जिससे हम वाटर बॉडीज़ को डर्टी करते हैं. ओके, 3 एक्टिविटीज़, ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़, जो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं जो हम लोग खुद करते हैं जिससे हमारा वाटर डर्टी होता है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ थ्रोइंग गार्बेज इन वाटर बॉडीज़. जब आप कोई भी कूड़ा या कुछ भी आप वाटर बॉडीज़ में फेंकते हो, सो दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट रीज़न दैट वाई द वाटर बॉडीज़ गेट डर्टी, throwing garbage in water bodies. Then second sentence is, second point is washing clothes clothes in water bodies. Now when many of you have seen that some people wash their clothes besides the water bodies, so which is also one activity, human activity, which makes the water dirty. Then coming to the third point, which is the most important point, that bathing animals in water bodies. Now जो लोग animals को भी water bodies में छोड़ देते हैं कि उनको नहाने के लिए, so that is bathing animals in water bodies is the main reason why our water bodies get dirty. Is that clear? So once again I am repeating all the three activities, so listen to it carefully. First is that you have to write down the three activities that makes water dirty. So the first sentence, throwing garbage in water bodies. Second sentence, washing clothes in water bodies. Third sentence, bathing animals in water bodies. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood this. Now coming to the next part, that is the C part, write three activities to save water. Now here you have to write down the three activities which are useful to save water. हमें ऐसी कोई भी थ्री एक्टिविटीज बतानी है जिससे हम वाटर को सेव कर सके, बचा सके. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट इज टर्न ऑफ द टैप्स. when you are doing something and when you are washing utensils or when you are washing your clothes or something, then you have to just turn off the taps. If you are doing if you are brushing your teeth also, so you have to just turn off the tap. Many of you, I have in schools also, what you all do, that when you go to the water coolers, you just keep on the taps and the water is flowing from that, so which is a very bad thing. Okay, so first sentence, that you have to turn off the taps when they are not in use. Okay, second is collect rainwater. You should collect rainwater because rainwater is the purest form of water. It is very pure water and you can use rainwater for many things. So you have to collect rainwater. Whenever it rains, just take some containers, okay, and you can just collect the rainwater inside them. Okay, then the third point is store water in clean containers. Now whenever you feel like that there is a shortage of water, so just take some clean containers and store water from before only for your future use. So you can use this stored water and in your homes also for many things. Is that clear? So once again, I hope you all have understood this. So once again, I'm repeating, write three activities to save water. First activity, turn off the taps. Second is collect rainwater, and the last third is store water in clean containers. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood these three exercises. So that is all for today's revision, children. Now please make sure that you complete this revision work by today itself, because second part of the same chapter we will be doing tomorrow. So I want you all to just complete all your work of today by today itself. Okay, so till my next video tomorrow, children, please make sure that you do your work very carefully, and then we will do our next exercise tomorrow. Is that clear? So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.